Do you want to know how wealthy families preserve and grow their wealth while they pay very little in taxes? And how they pass generational wealth to their children and their grandchildren tax-free? Well, they do this with family offices. High net worth families are realizing that traditional wealth management is not enough. They need something that's more customized, more integrated, and more strategic. Enter the world of family offices. Family offices are one of the fastest growing segments in global wealth management. Over the past 2 decades alone, the number of family offices worldwide has more than quadrupled, managing trillions of dollars of assets. So it's not surprising, because of the number of millionaires that's been created, that the number of family offices and the need for family offices has grown as well. So in today's video, I'm going to explain what is a family office, the specific services they provide, and how they help families like yours grow and protect your wealth from taxes. See, a family office is more than just a wealth management firm. It's a comprehensive solution designed to oversee every aspect of your financial life. Most wealthy families recognize that having different advisors, such as a wealth manager for your investments, a CPA for your taxes, an estate planner for your wills and trusts, often creates silos. These professionals may be excellent in their areas, but without coordination, important opportunities get lost and decisions become reactive instead of proactive. That's why so many turn to family offices to integrate all of these disciplines into a single cohesive strategy. A family office brings it all together. It integrates your investments, your taxes, cash flow, estate planning, charitable giving, legacy planning, all into a coordinated strategy. Why is this important? Because none of these areas function in isolation. For example, every investment decision has tax implications. A family office not only understands that connection, but also plans ahead. Whether you're preparing for a large liquidity event, selling a company, or exercising a complex equity compensation, the goal is to minimize your taxes and maximize how much cash that you keep. Because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep that matters. Family offices focus on the following 8 core areas: global asset allocation, investment tax strategy, consolidated reporting, liquidity planning and cash flow analysis, estate planning, integrated banking and lending solutions, charitable giving, and a network of third-party professionals. I'm going to expand on each of these core areas. The first core focus of a family office is global asset allocation. It's very likely that your wealth extends beyond just marketable securities such as stocks and bonds. In addition to those, you may also have ownership interests in private businesses, real estate holdings, alternative investments, cryptocurrencies, or other illiquid assets. A traditional wealth manager often focuses exclusively on the marketable securities portion of your portfolio, but that's only one piece of the puzzle. A family office takes a global perspective, integrating all of your assets, both liquid and illiquid, into a single cohesive strategy. This broader approach ensures your wealth is allocated in a way that balances risk, return, and liquidity across all of your asset classes. It also accounts for how different investments interact with each other, both domestically and internationally. At the same time, asset allocation decisions are coordinated with tax strategies, ensuring that each part of your portfolio contributes to your long-term goals in the most efficient way possible. You need someone who not only oversees all of your assets, but also continuously optimizes your global asset allocation as markets, opportunities, and your family circumstances evolve. The second core focus of a family office is investment tax strategy. And that's because investments and taxes are inseparable. Selling one asset can trigger significant taxes, but then having to pay taxes can strongly influence whether or not you're going to sell or hold an investment. A family office also helps bridge the gap between your investments and your taxes. So for example, if you work for a technology company and you receive large amounts of RSUs, also known as restricted stock units, or other forms of equity compensation, you may find that a substantial portion of your wealth is concentrated in just a single employer stock. Now the key question becomes, how do you diversify that portfolio or that single holding while paying the least amount of tax? The same principle applies if you're selling a company that you spent many, many years building. You've devoted decades of your life creating a business, and now it's your primary nest egg. You don't want the sale to go through and all of a sudden you pay most of that proceeds, the sale proceeds, to go to taxes. Or you may be selling off a piece of real estate, but you're afraid of the large tax bill. Without careful planning, these events can lead to unnecessary and surprising tax bills. This is where a family office shines, by planning for these scenarios before they occur, creating strategies to minimize your taxes, diversify your assets, and preserving your wealth. Every decision, from preparing for a liquidity event to structuring long-term preservation strategies, is designed for after-tax performance, ensuring your money works harder for you. The third core focus of a family office is consolidated reporting and asset tracking. One of the biggest challenges wealthy families face is simply keeping track of everything that they own. You probably have multiple brokerage accounts at different institutions, real estate investments across multiple states or even countries, ownership stakes in private businesses, alternative investments, or digital assets like cryptocurrency. Each of these assets may generate their own statements and their reports, but when you view them in isolation, it's nearly impossible to get a clear, complete picture of your total wealth. Again, this is where the family office steps in by providing you with consolidated reporting, bringing all of your assets, both liquid and illiquid together, domestic and international, into one cohesive system. Instead of juggling multiple statements, you see a single comprehensive view of your balance sheet, performance, and your risk exposure. This reporting is powered by advanced customized software that's delivered in regular, easy to understand reporting packages. That means that you always have real-time visibility into where your wealth is, how it's performing, and whether your asset allocation is aligned with your long-term goals. Plus, there's another benefit of consolidated reporting, and that's estate planning. Consolidated reporting ensures your heirs know exactly what assets you have and where they're located. That way, they're not scrambling to piece things together after your passing. With a family office, you're no longer reacting to fragmented information. You have all the clarity and the tools and the insights to make informed strategic decisions, all from one central place. The fourth core focus of a family office is liquidity planning and cash flow management. You may have heard the term cash is king, and that's absolutely true. And one of the most overlooked aspects of wealth management is liquidity planning or cash flow planning. You may have a large net worth on paper, but if your wealth is tied up in illiquid assets like real estate, private businesses, long-term investments, you may not have the cash that you need when you need it. And that's when cash flow planning is the most important. So the question becomes, how do you create cash flow from such illiquid investments? This is where a family office provides tremendous value. It ensures that cash flow is strategically managed, giving families the liquidity to cover near-term needs without sacrificing long-term growth. This includes things like planning for tax obligations, capital calls, unexpected expenses, or simply income during retirement. For entrepreneurs, this is especially critical because selling your company or exercising equity incentives or receiving a major payout can be a life-changing moment. But without planning, they can also bring stress and unnecessary tax burdens. A family office helps project your cash inflows and your outflows, monitors your reserves, and creates a forward-looking liquidity strategy. This allows you to deploy your cash efficiently, prepare for large, big events, and avoid being forced to sell assets at the wrong time. With proactive liquidity and cash flow management, your wealth isn't just preserved, it's positioned to grow while still giving you the flexibility to seize on opportunities as they arise. The fifth focus of a family office is estate planning and legacy structuring. Estate planning is one of the most critical yet often neglected aspects of wealth management. Many families focus on the investments and the taxes, but then they delay creating or updating an estate plan. And without a well-designed plan, wealth can be eroded by taxes or legal disputes or poor transitions between generations. For example, one thing we see all the time at our firm is an ex-spouse ends up inheriting an IRA because a beneficiary form was never updated. Or young adults suddenly receive a large sum of money and they're not prepared for the lifestyle changes and the pressures that come with it. A properly structured estate plan can help prevent these kind of outcomes. A family office ensures that estate planning is fully integrated into your broader financial strategy. That means regularly reviewing and updating wills and trusts, gifting strategies so they always reflect your goals, values, and your circumstances. For example, planning ahead for a liquidity event can allow families to transition assets to the next generation more efficiently, reducing future estate taxes. Trust structures can also be used to protect assets, ensure family harmony, and provide ongoing guidance to the heirs. Estate planning isn't just about taxes, it's about your legacy. Maybe you want your kids to only inherit your wealth after they turn 40. Or maybe you want to structure your estate so that way you can help them buy their first home and you don't want to fund a reckless lifestyle. Proper estate planning helps you do all these things. A family office also plays a role in preparing your heirs, helping them understand not just what they've inherited, but the responsibility that comes with it. When estate planning and legacy structuring are handled proactively, you preserve more of your wealth, avoid unnecessary disputes, and create lasting impact that extends far beyond your lifetime. The sixth core of a family office is integrated banking and lending solutions. If you're a high net worth individual, chances are you don't fit neatly into a traditional banking system. Maybe you own your own business and show very little net profit, and most of your wealth is concentrated in a single stock, or you hold a lot of real estate. So on paper, you may be very wealthy, but a traditional bank looks at your profile and doesn't check the usual box, so it's hard for them to lend to you. So imagine you built a $20 million business, but you don't have W-2 income. Now, a bank may say no to you because they may require W-2, but a private lender may structure a loan around your assets, taking into consideration the wealth that you've built. This creates a challenge because most conventional banks rely on standard lending models, and you probably don't qualify for a conforming loan, whether or not it's for your primary home, vacation property, or even financing a new investment. So instead, you may have to rely on private lenders who can design unique, customized loan solutions specifically for you. Now, these lenders understand that your wealth may be tied up in illiquid assets, and they create financing solutions for high net worth individuals without traditional sources of income. Again, this is another opportunity where a family office shines because they help you navigate this space. A family office connects you with the right lenders, helps you evaluate your options, and make sure that you get the best terms. That way, you know when you borrow, you're not just accessing liquidity, you're doing it in a way that supports your overall financial strategy. The seventh core focus of a family office is philanthropy and charitable giving. When you've accumulated significant wealth, you may start thinking about how to use that to make an impact beyond just your family. Maybe you want to give back to your community, support a charity or a cause that matters to you, or even build a charitable legacy that lasts for generations. The challenge is that philanthropy isn't just about writing checks. It's about being strategic so that your giving not only has the greatest impact, but is also tax efficient for you. As a high net worth individual, you have a powerful tool at your disposal. You might consider creating a private foundation that allows you and your family to set a long-term charitable mission. Or you may prefer a donor-advised fund, which gives you immediate tax benefits and the flexibility to direct your grants to charities over time. Another option is donating appreciated stock or other assets instead of cash. By giving stock that has gone up in value, you avoid paying capital gains taxes, and you get a full deduction for the fair market value. And this allows you to maximize the benefit given to the charity. A family office helps you navigate these choices and integrates them into your overall financial plan. It ensures that your charitable strategy aligns with your values, supports the causes that you care about, and is structured in the most tax-efficient way possible. Because at the end of the day, philanthropy isn't just about giving money away. It's about making an impact while preserving your wealth and doing it in a way that reflects your vision and your values. And finally, the eighth core focus of a family office is a network of third-party professionals. When you reach a certain level of wealth, life gets more complex. It's not just about managing investments anymore. It's about navigating all the unique situations that come up with significant wealth. Maybe you need an international tax attorney to help you structure assets across borders, or maybe a specialist in estate planning for blended families. Or maybe you're trying to buy a yacht or a private aircraft and you want to make sure that it's structured and insured properly. Or maybe you need a trusted professional in areas like family governance, personal security, or even an M&A advisor to help you sell your business. The reality is that no single advisor can be an expert in everything. That's why a family office is so valuable. It acts like a hub, giving you access to a broad network of third-party professionals who have the right expertise for your situation. Think of it as having a curated Rolodex at your fingertips. The family office identifies, vets, and coordinates these specialists so that you don't have to go searching for them on your own. And equally as important, it makes sure that each professional's advice fits into your overall financial strategy instead of creating silos or conflicting recommendations. With this kind of network, nearly anything you need as a high net worth individual can be addressed quickly and seamlessly by the right person at the right time. So as you can see, a family office isn't just about managing investments. It's about creating a central hub that integrates every aspect of your financial life. Your investments, your taxes, estate planning, philanthropy, liquidity, lending, and a lot more. If you're a high net worth individual, you already know that wealth brings complexity, and trying to manage it with a patchwork of advisors often leads to silos, inefficiencies, and also missed opportunities. A family office solves this by bringing everything together under one roof and one coordinated strategy, with your goals, your values, and your legacy all at the center. This is the reason why family offices have become one of the fastest growing segments in the global wealth management sector. They give families clarity, control, and confidence that their wealth isn't just being preserved, it's being positioned to grow and make an impact for generations to come.